Hello guys, today I am going to share an interesting update with you. Ozgi Jagger recently posted a new video from the gym where she looked very happy, active and full of confidence. She said that she feels she is gaining weight, so now she has decided to start gym workouts again and focus on her fitness. Just a few days ago, she was away going a relaxing trip and spending beautiful days outside. But now she has returned home and quickly started her normal routine again. On the other side, Gokpar is also busy enjoying his life in his own way. He often shares sweet and adorable pictures with his pets, making his days more joyful and keeping fans entertained. Both of them seem happy and focused on their own lives, and fans are loving these news updates.